When a pimple disappears, most people think the problem is gone. But in reality, the story inside your skin has only paused. Imagine your skin like a busy city. Tiny factories sit beneath the surface producing oil every single day. Roads carry nutrients, waste trucks remove debris, and security guards fight invading bacteria. When everything runs smoothly, the city looks clean and calm. But when traffic jams begin underground, pressure builds where you cannot see it. This is not just an analogy. This is exactly why your pimples keep coming back. Today, we are going inside your skin step by step to understand what truly happens before a pimple appears, why it disappears temporarily, and why it returns again and again in the same places. Let's start beneath the surface. Long before you see redness or swelling, changes are already happening deep inside your pores. As oil continues to build behind the blockage, pressure increases. Your pore stretches like a balloon, filling with air. Inside this closed space lives bacteria naturally found on the skin, called Cutibacterium acnes. Normally, these bacteria are harmless residents. But trapped oil becomes food. The bacteria multiply rapidly. Think of a sealed room where heat rises and oxygen drops. Conditions change quickly. Waste products from bacteria begin irritating the surrounding skin. Your immune system notices. And now the real reaction begins. Your body sends immune cells to the area like firefighters responding to smoke. Blood flow increases. Fluid rushes in. This is when you finally notice something on the surface. Redness, tenderness, swelling. The pimple you see today actually started weeks ago. The pain is not the infection itself, it is your immune system trying to fix the problem. White blood cells attack bacteria, creating pus, which is simply dead cells and debris from the battle. Your skin is trying to heal. Your skin contains sebaceous glands. These glands produce oil called sebum. Sebum is not bad. It protects your skin, keeps it hydrated, and forms a natural barrier against infection. But modern lifestyles change this balance. Hormones, stress, sugary foods, poor sleep, and genetics can signal these glands to produce more oil than your skin needs. Now imagine pouring too much cooking oil into a narrow pipe. The flow slows down. Dead skin cells, which normally shed smoothly, begin sticking together with oil. Slowly, a plug forms inside the pore. At this stage, you see nothing yet, but the blockage has already started. Eventually, the pressure releases, the swelling reduces, the redness fades. You think the pimple is gone. But here is the part most people never understand. The oil gland underneath is still overactive. The pore wall may still be damaged. A microscopic blockage often remains deep inside. The surface healed. The root cause did not. So the cycle resets. Have you noticed pimples often come back in identical locations? That is because inflammation weakens the pore structure. Imagine bending a wire repeatedly in one place. That spot becomes fragile. Each breakout makes the pore easier to clog again. Oil flows unevenly. Dead skin accumulates faster, and the same pore becomes a repeat offender. This is not bad hygiene. It is biology repeating a pattern. Hormones play one of the biggest roles. Androgens, hormones present in both men and women, stimulate oil production. During stress, your body releases cortisol. Cortisol indirectly increases oil secretion and inflammation. This explains why pimples appear during stress periods, poor sleep exams, or deadlines' hormonal cycles. Your skin is reacting to internal signals, not just external dirt. Most treatments focus only on drying the surface. Strong soaps strip oil. Harsh scrubs irritate skin. overwashing damages the protective barrier. Your skin responds by producing even more oil to compensate. It becomes a vicious cycle. Dry to irritated to more oil to more blockage to new pimples. You're fighting symptoms instead of correcting the environment. To break the cycle, 3 systems must stabilize. First, oil regulation. Gentle cleansing and balanced skincare help normalize production instead of shocking the skin. Second, cell turnover. Ingredients that help dead skin shed properly prevent pores from clogging again. Third, inflammation control. Sleep, nutrition, and stress management directly reduce internal triggers. Clear skin is less about aggression and more about balance. A pimple is not a random event. If you've ever wondered why pimples disappear only to return again, now you know. Your skin wasn't failing. It was repeating a process that never fully finished healing. And once you understand the timeline, you can finally work with your biology instead of fighting against it. It is a timeline. Weeks of invisible changes lead to one visible moment. Your skin is constantly communicating what is happening inside your body. Hormone levels, inflammation, stress, and lifestyle habits all leave fingerprints on your face. When you understand this process, something powerful happens. You stop chasing quick fixes. You start correcting causes. And when the cause changes, the cycle finally breaks.